something very nice here. As you can already see, Canon, and it's a hard case, very nice leather hard case with something incredible on the inside. Look at it, how nicely made it is. And this is the great Canon Auto Zoom 518. Great super clean lens, as you can see, perfectly working automatic and manual zoom, perfectly working focus as well. I just need to adjust the focus a bit, sorry about that. The camera is in truly outstanding condition, as you'll hear in a minute. Perfectly working light meter, automatic zoom, manual zoom, focus, everything on the camera works perfectly. So, in order to get the camera working, first of all you need to open this compartment down here. And on the lid, you will see the correct way of positioning the battery. So it goes just like that. Once that's done, you need to close this one. And there are the 3 extra that are positioned here. Unscrew that and slide the lid out. As you can see, super clean battery compartments as well. So please always follow the instructions. Otherwise, you're going to be facing issues if the batteries are not positioned in the correct way. Once all 4 batteries are in, screw that back on. And let's see what the result is. Super smoothly working. You can nearly not hear it. Super nice. So there is a lock, so you can't press it. Record, and if you spin back one position, it's a record lock. Very nice camera. 18 frames per second and slow motion 36. Look at that, so quiet. Although it's nearly 6 years old. Automatic zoom. Super clean lens, as you can see. Perfectly working automatic zoom as well as the manual one. The camera is in truly outstanding condition. There's some battery checkers here. Everything on the camera works great. So, we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, very well working. And let's see what the result is. The result is no mark there anymore and straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together. Super smoothly working. The camera is in outstanding condition, especially when you know it's 6 years old. So whoever gets it will be super lucky with it. You can either get it with the case or without it. It's up to you. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive.